I hope you are all enjoying your summer so far. Welcome to our unicorn slime video. Today, I am going to show you how to make this sparkly stuff. Now, I made this a couple weeks ago. It's not as stretchy as it was before, but it's definitely lasted a long time. So, today, I'm going to show you how to make 3 different colors. I have gold, pink, and blue. All right, so let's go over the ingredients for unicorn slime. So first, as I showed you, you need a 6-ounce bottle of Elmer's glitter glue. And these are really easy to find at stores like Michael's, Walmart, sometimes even Target. You also need a half teaspoon of baking soda. You need 1.5 tablespoons of contact solution. And now the contact solution must include sodium borate and boric acid in the ingredient list because that is what interacts with the glue to form the slime. You also need glitter, and that can be any color you would like it to be, so you can have it match your glitter glue, or you can do like I did and choose silver glitter. And then to make the slime more stretchy, you'll also want 2 tablespoons of water. Okay, and I have my water in a bowl here because I find it easier to scoop it out with the measuring spoons. I also have the baking soda in a bowl over here for the same reason. And then for this first batch, I have measured out my contact solution already in here to make it go a little bit faster. And of course I have my instructions with me so I don't miss anything. And I have a few other things that will be helpful for you too. A bowl to mix, a spoon so you can mix your solution in the bowl, the measuring spoons. I also have a mini cutting board and I'm going to do the kneading of the slime on this cutting board so it doesn't get stuck to the tablecloth. Now, just remember, this is non-toxic, but it is not edible, okay? So don't eat it. The cleanup is very easy, but you will want to make sure you wash your hands after making this slime and playing with this slime. All right, are you ready to learn how to make it? Here we go. So first, we're going to take our bowl, and I am going to start with the blue glitter glue. And you're going to empty the entire bottle of glitter glue into your bowl. And this can take a little while sometimes. Make sure you get it all out. All right, so once you have as much out of the bottle as you possibly can, we are going to add our water and our glitter. So let's do our glitter first. The top is funky on this one, so I just unscrew it and add a bunch. And add our glitter. And then I'm going to add the 2 tablespoons of water. 1, 2, and then we're also going to add our baking soda. And we need 1/2 teaspoon of the baking soda. And then we're going to mix. Now, what we're going to do is after we've mixed it all in really good, you're going to slowly add the contact solution in. So you're going to add only a little bit at a time. Put a is when it'll start turning into slime. And then we'll add a little bit more. And then we'll mix. And as you do this, you can see it starts getting stickier and it's harder to mix. And then we'll add a little bit more. And keep going. And then we're going to add the rest. All right, and then we mix as it starts to get hard. Okay, now that it's harder, we're going to take it out and start kneading it with our hands. So I'm going to put the spoon right here. We're going to take it out. This is where your hands will get a little bit messy, because right now it's still pretty gooey. And we're going to start kneading it together, just like this. And eventually it'll reach a consistency where it's not going to stick to your fingers as much, and it's going to get a little bit harder, but it'll still be really stretchy. All right, so let's keep doing that. And then you can keep kneading it as much as you want to get it to the consistency that you would like. Like I said before, I tend to get it to the point where it's not sticking to my fingers anymore. And I think we are about there. Look at that. Very stretchy. It's very sparkly. All right. And there you have it. That is how you make unicorn slime. Very easy, right? All right, so now, like I said, I have 2 more colors to do. Okay, so let's do the pink next. So just like we did before, we're going to empty it all into the bowl. I think we're almost there. All right. That about does it for that one. Okay. Lid back on. Now, do you remember what we do next? We need to add our glitter, our water, and our baking soda. So I'm going to add some glitter. I like to make mine very, very sparkly. And then I need 2 tablespoons of water. 1, 2. And then I need a ½ teaspoon of baking soda. There we go. Now that that's in there, ooh, my spoon's stuck. We're going to start mixing it in. Now I definitely do have a little bit of the blue left in the bowl, so our colors are going to mix a little bit. If you make more than one, you can wash out the bowl in between so you don't have that. Okay, so now our slime is sliding off the cutting board here. We're going to measure out the contact solution. So now my measuring spoons are very limited in their measurements. So I have to be a little creative here in figuring out 1½ tablespoons. So I do have a tablespoon right here that I can do. I'm just going to put it in here again because we have to add it slowly, so it's easier to measure it out beforehand. Then I need one of these. And of these. Okay, and I'm also using some paper towel over here to kind of dry off my measuring spoons in between. So now we're going to, again, slowly add the contact solution. So just add a little bit and mix. And if you noticed earlier, the bowl was moving around a lot, so you might want to hold on to the bowl or have somebody hold on to the bowl for you. Add a little bit more. We're going to add some more. Ooh, this time it's really sticking to the spoon. And then we're going to add some more. And then we're going to add the rest. And mix that all up. All right, I think it's ready to take out. I'm going to get it off the spoon here. And make sure too, when you're done, you wash out your bowl and your spoon and everything you're using really, really well, okay? Like I said, you don't want to eat this stuff, but it won't hurt you. Right, so we're going to keep kneading it together. Look at that. Nice and stretchy. All right. Now that that's all done, we're going to put it right down next to our blue slime, which is kind of turned into a pancake. I'm going to squish this all back together a little bit. And then I have one more color of slime to make, okay? So I'm going to do that. And I'm going to speed up the video a little bit so it doesn't take so long, okay? So here we go. Slime is just about done. Look at that. Right. So now I have 3 different colors of unicorn slime. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually mix them all together. So I'm going to take each one and I'm going to stretch it out like this. Let's take our other pancakes over here. Our bowl out of the way. Stretch it out right next to it. And then we'll take this one, blue slime, stretch it out as well and put it right next to it. And then I'm going to twist them all together. Ooh, we're getting stuck to the paper towel over here. This is why I'm using the cutting board. Oh no! Stop sticking, please. There we go. So I'm going to take it. I'm going to twist and twist, twist it all together until we have one big, colorful blob. Look at that. really cool. So there you have it. That is how you make unicorn slime. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to wash everything afterwards and don't eat the slime. All right, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you all again soon. Bye.